Welcome to day 31. This is the last day of our series, and for this video, I figured out how to remotely turn on the video. Okay, so Kaiser and I welcome you to your practice. Today you need 2 blocks or 2 water bottles, 2 hydro flasks, something like that, so that when we do forward folds, you have something to balance with. So I'm going to set those out of the way, pause the camera, and get those. I think that's the only props you'll need. And then we're going to begin in child's pose. So put those items, the blocks or the water bottles, at the front of your mat, and then come with me over into child's pose. Toes together, knees apart, let your hips sink back, let your arms reach out long in front of you, let your forehead rest gently on the mat or on a block. Let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths together, settling into our practice. Inhale through nose, 3 to 4 seconds. Exhale out mouth, 3 to 4 seconds. Again, inhale through nose, 3 to 4 seconds. Exhale out mouth. Last one, inhale a little longer. Slowly exhale a little longer. Now rest your lips together and begin taking deep breaths in and out your nose. Really tuning into the quality of your inspiration. Tuning into the quality and length of your exhalation. Really sending air to all the lining of your lungs. Using the breath to really get some stretch in your chest and back body. Notice your belly rising and falling. Noticing your hips settling down a little more. Whenever you're ready, slide your hands in under your shoulders and rise up to tabletop. From here, big torso circle. Shift your weight to the left, forward, and back. Inhale on the way up. Exhale back. I'm going clockwise. It doesn't matter. We'll change in a few minutes. Maybe your circle gets a little bigger. You get a little more stretch in the shoulders and side body. Maybe you even dip down for a little bit of motion through the hips. Slow it down. Inhales as you go forward. Exhales as you sink back. Maybe you let your head and neck sort of follow. One more. Now inhale the other direction. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 2 or 3 more. Now come back up to your tabletop. Walk your hands 1 print ahead. Curl your toes under. Take a big inhale. And exhale, lift your hips up tall. Pedal it out if you feel like it, or come to stillness. But really press away with your hands. Lift your tailbone up tall. Get some stretch up the back of your legs. And keep those deep breaths going. When that seems like it's right for you, come to stillness, bend your knees, lift your hip creases and tailbone a little higher, then press your heels down and come to stillness for 2 or 3 more deep breaths. Lips closed. On your next inhale, shift forward to a tall plank. Keep your neck long. Keep your hips a little bit lower than your shoulders, so don't let them sag, and stay here for 10 breaths. Inhale forward, put your knees down if this is too much for your shoulders. 2. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Engage through the pelvic floor, engage through the thighs. 5, 6, navel to spine, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press back, lift your hips tall, and sink back to your downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, shift forward again. This time, come down onto your forearms, pressing down through your forearms, shoulders under, shoulders over, directly over your elbows. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, press back with your heels. Engage through your thighs, navel to spine. 2, put your knees down if you need to. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower your knees and lower down onto the mat. Take a little break. Slow, deep breaths. Your head can be turned to one side or forehead down. Now, bring your hands under your shoulders. We're going to do 3 cobras. So hug your elbows in, press down with the tops of your feet, zip up your legs. On your inhale, lift your head and neck and shoulders up. Exhale, lower it down. Inhale, lift a little higher, if your back allows. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, press up a little higher, hold it there. Take a big inhale. Exhale, look to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, look to the left. Hello. Back to center and lower back down. Very nice. Curl your toes under. On your inhale, press up to table. Exhale, downward facing dog. Stay there, 2 breaths. 1, 2. Anchor through your left heel. Inhale, right leg rises. Hold it up, 3-legged dog. Hips are even. Big stretch up the back of your left leg. Let your hips sink. 1, 2, 3. Now bend your knee and make some hip circles. 1, 2, 3. Go in the other direction. 1, deep breath. 2, 3. Back up to 3-legged dog on the inhale. Exhale, sit it down. On your next inhale, anchor through your right heel. Slide your left heel up tall, 3-legged dog. Lift it up a little higher. Turn the top of your foot down toward the mat. Let your right heel sink down toward the mat so you get a stretch up the back of the right leg. 3 deep breaths. 1, soft shoulders. 2, 3. Bend your left knee and make some circles. 1, 2, 3. Reverse directions. 1, 2, 3. Now send it up tall again on the inhale. Exhale, sit it down. Come to your knees. Let your chest sink down to the mat, knees together for a little break. Child's pose with knees together or apart. Slow, deep breath. Come back up to table. Pause there. You can take a couple of cat-cows if you like. Then curl your toes under, take a big inhale, and press back up, downward facing dog. On your inhale, bend your knees, look to your hands. On your exhale, walk forward, toes come up toward your hands. Feet can be apart or together. Hold on to your elbows, slowly begin to straighten your legs until you feel a nice gentle stretch up the back of your leg. Let everything hang, let gravity take over, opening up your spine, all the way down to your neck. Release your neck, move your head around a little bit, releasing tension from your neck and shoulders. Maybe you straighten your knees a little more, getting a little stretch up the back of your legs. 2 more deep breaths. 1, 2. Now let your hands fall down to the mat. On your inhale, rise up halfway, flat back, crown reaches forward. Exhale, forward fold. This time, hold on to your toes with your first 2 fingers. Take another inhale, flat back again. And then exhale, a more active forward fold. Elbows go out to the side or a little toward the back, shoulders away from ears. This time, tuck your belly under to make a little room. Straighten your legs a little more and gently pull on your toes, pressing down with your feet. Crown of head reaching down to the earth. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, place your hands under your feet so your toes are in your wrists. Take a big inhale, stretch your spine long, and then exhale. More active fold again in this gorilla pose. Tuck your belly in to make some room. Stretch up the back of your legs, but don't overstretch. Gentle pressure up the back of your legs. Gentle pressure as your crown reaches down. 3 more deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Release your hands from under your feet. Take a soft bend in your knees and slowly roll up as slow as you can, stacking your vertebrae one on top of the other as you come up to standing. When you arrive, take a big inhale, shoulders up to ears. Exhale, drag them down your back. 1 more, shoulder roll up to the ears. Exhale, drag them back. Okay, let's do a little flow. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center and down by your side. 1 more. Inhale, fingertips rise up. Exhale, soft bend in your knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Upward salute. Exhale, palms to heart center, down by your side. All right, some balance. Stand up tall. Shift your weight to the left. Open your foot out to the right. We're headed to tree. I'm going to back up a little bit. So, place your foot against your shin. Strong left leg, right foot. Point of tree is to open the hip and gain strength in the leg. Today we're focusing on opening the hip. So open your knee straight out to the right with toe on the floor, foot pressed into your shin or your thigh. Get strong on your left leg, press your hips forward. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Arms reach up, maybe your thumb and first finger touch. 1, 5 breaths. 2, 3, 4, 5. Big inhale. Exhale, hands back to center, knee comes to front and set it down. Other side, hands to hips, left knee opens, weight shifts to the right leg. Take a big inhale, place your foot against your shin or your thigh. Let your hands come to heart center. Really open your knee out to the side, press your hips forward, navel to spine, strong right leg. 3 more breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Hands reach up overhead. Soften your shoulders, soften your face, find a spot for your gaze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big inhale. Exhale, hands come back to heart center, knee to the front. Now step to the front of your mat. This is where you need your blocks or your bottles. Place your blocks right in front of you. Feet are parallel, about 6 inches apart. On your inhale, lift your foot straight out behind you. Hold it there. Turn your foot down. Get strong in your left leg. Spine is long. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, stretch long. Exhale, Shiva spot. Squat. Inhale, long. Exhale, squat. Inhale, long. Exhale, squat. Inhale, long. Now exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Option to stay right here with your fingertips on the blocks. Maybe you bring them up on the fingertips and see if you can balance there, or bring your hands to your heart. Warrior 3. 1, 2, 3. Slowly set your foot back down. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Exhale, hands to heart center and down by your side. Let's do the other side. Find your blocks or your water bottles right under your shoulders. Stretch your spine long, and then the block right under your wrist and shoulders. On your inhale, lift your leg up behind you. 3 breaths. Turn the top of your foot down. Spine long. 1, 2, 3. Big inhale, reach. Exhale, Shiva squat. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squat. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squat. Inhale, reach. Exhale, squat. Now this time, reach long, point your toe. Take a big inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Maybe you come up onto your knuckles or fingers, or maybe you try a little balance. It's hard from this direction. 1, 2, 3. Settle back down. Take a big inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Hold on to your elbows, let your head hang. Deep breath. Let your hands come down to the earth. Soft bending your knees. Slowly roll up. Now we're going to do a little flow. So keep your blocks handy beside you. We're going to do triangle, side bend. So have your blocks so that you can reach them. All right. We're also doing open twist, so you can use it on any of those. Inhale, fingertips rise up. Exhale, soft bend in your knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your right foot back, lower your right knee. On your inhale, lift your left hand up, lift your back knee. 1, sink your hips forward so your knee is over your ankle. 2, 3, lower your left hand, lower your right heel. Bring your block, either one, inside the left foot and lift your hand up for a big side angle. 1, 2, 3, bring your hand behind, opening your shoulder to the right. Stay like that, or reach your hand under for a bind. Sink your hips forward and down so your knee is over your ankle. Open your shoulder again. Press down through your right foot. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Reach back up, side angle. Straighten your front leg for a triangle. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, rise up. Then reach up and over, hold for reverse triangle. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, warrior 2. Take a big inhale, fill up. And then exhale, cartwheel your hands down. You frame your feet. Lift your back leg. Step back to plank. Take a big inhale. Go to downward facing dog or come with me for a vinyasa. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower your knees. Lower your chest. Watch out for your blocks. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Bend your knees, lift your hands. Inhale, exhale, step forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, press to your feet. Rise up. Exhale, hands to heart center and down by your side. All right, other side. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, soft bend, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fingertips down, step your left foot back, lower your left knee. Inhale, lift your right hand up tall. Lift your left knee, sink your hips forward. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Your hand can be on a block on that. Then lower your hand to the inside of your right foot. Lower your left heel. So right knee is bent, left leg is back. Your hand can be on a block if that's better for you. And lift your left hand. Hips are underneath, body in one long line. 1, 2, 3. Knee directly over ankle. Now turn your palm, back of your hand to your low back. Open up through the left side of your heart and shoulder. Stay there and breathe, or reach your right hand under for a bind. Then roll your left shoulder back up. Sink your hips forward. Close your lips. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your hand back down to the block. Lift your left hand tall. Begin to straighten your front leg to triangle pose. Open up through the left side of your heart. Make sure you're not still slumped forward. Body in one straight line, torso to leg. 3 more deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale back to standing. Exhale, reverse triangle. Pause there. 1, 2, 3. Inhale back to standing. Bend your front knee, open up to warrior 2. Take a big inhale. On your exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Watch out for your block. Step back into plank. Press up to down dog, or come with me for a vinyasa. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower your knees. Lower your chest. Inhale, up dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come to your knees. Come to child's pose. Take a break. Now, inhale back to sitting. Send your feet long in front of you. Bounce out your knees for a second. Sit up tall, wiggle it out. Take a big inhale. Exhale, seated forward fold. Let your fingertips come either on the mat, on your ankles, your toes, or reach around and grab your hands. Take a big inhale, get long again, and sink down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your inhale, rise back up. Exhale, hands to heart center and down by your side. So your left leg stays long, right foot bends. Hello, Colby. From here, put your left hand on your right ankle for a second. Inhale, reach your right arm. So you're really reaching up, sitting up tall. Exhale, your hand forward. You can either hold on to the back of your foot, just let your hand drop, or reach it around behind you. Whatever you can do. Take another inhale, stretch your spine a little longer. Exhale, hinge at the hips, long spine, long neck, and breathe. 1, I don't know if you can see my bind, but this is the goal, but maybe your hand just comes to the back of your leg. 2, or maybe it holds onto the back of your left foot. 3, 4, 5. Release. Take a big inhale, reach up. Send your right leg long again. Exhale, hands to heart center and down by your side. Now bend your left knee, place your left foot flat. You can hold on to your ankle with your right hand, especially to begin. Hips flat on the mat. Sitting bones pressed down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, reach forward. Hold on to your foot if you want to just stay like that. Or reach your arm around behind you. Reach your right arm around behind and hold on. Engage through your pelvic floor. Reach around your belly to make a little more room. Take a big inhale. Stretch your spine long and forward fold over your right thigh. Long spine, soft shoulders. Let go of tension in your face. Breathe, 5 breaths. 1. If this is easy, you can hold on to your wrist. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, straighten out your legs. Okay, now we'll do our the twist like we normally do. Cross your right leg over the left. Curl your bottom leg under. So I'm going to show you a couple of variations for this. Knowing if your hips, your sitting bones don't touch the mat, you should keep your left leg out long. If you want, you can curl it under. So, here we go. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, turn to the right and lower your arms down. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower it down. Now you can repeat that, or I'm going to show you a little variation to try. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, turn to the right and lower down. So pause there, or if you want, try taking your left wrist, turning your palm toward the front of the room and snake it between your legs, then reach your right arm around for a little bind. Some days I can do it, some days I can't. So, there we are. 1, open up the right shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5. Release, inhale, reach up, and exhale down. So from here, come over onto your hands and knees, step back to plank, press back to downward facing dog, or come with me for a vinyasa. We're just evening out our spine here. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga. Lower your knees if you like, or hug your elbows and lower halfway. Then up dog. And on your exhale, downward facing dog. 2 breaths. And lower your knees. Come back onto your bottom. Send your feet long. Let's see. So we already did the other side? Yeah? Okay. So we just need to do the send your right leg long, cross your left leg over, curl your right leg under, take a big inhale, and twist to the left. 1, 2, 3. If you want to try the bind, stretch up again, get really long, and take your, when you turn and you have your right arm, cross over your left leg, snake your hand underneath, and reach your left hand behind for a bind. Let's see, I should have turned beforehand. Yeah, there you go. This side's a little better for me. Wherever you are in your twist, press down through your bottom, lift up through your spine, sit up tall, 3 more deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. On your inhale, reach up. Exhale, fingertips float down. It's just something fun to try. But it also, we're working toward bird of paradise today, so opening through your shoulders is good for that. So here we are. Reverse table, feet pressed down, fingertips towards your heels. On your inhale, lift your hips up tall. Open through your chest, press down through your hands, all four corners of your palms. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Lower your hips down, come across your knees, step back to plank. Take a big inhale, press back to downward dog, or come with me for a vinyasa. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, chaturanga lower half. Inhale up, exhale down. 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Bend your knees, lift your hands, fill up your lungs, and exhale, step forward. Feet meet hands. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, palms to heart center and down by your side. Okay, last flow. And we will add bird of paradise at the end. And I'll show you alternatives to that, because bird of paradise is, you gotta have really open hips and shoulders and only make it part of the way there. So here we are. Inhale. Exhale, swan dive this time. Forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fingertips down, step your right foot back. Place your fingertips, right fingers stay down, left fingers lift up. Engage through your right thigh. 2 breaths. 1, 2. Big inhale, fill up. Exhale, lower your left hand to the inside of your left foot. Lower your right heel. Lift your right hand up, side angle. 1, 2, 3. Turn your palm to your low back. Reach your hand under if you want, or just keep your palm on your low back. Sink your hips forward, open through the right side of your chest. 1, 2, holding it for 5, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, back up, side angle. Take another big inhale, straighten your front leg. Triangle. 1, 2, 3. Micro bend in your front leg, rise up. Exhale, reverse triangle. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, back up. Bend your front knee for warrior 2. Here we go. Take a big inhale. Exhale, come back to your side angle. Bring your hand behind, reach under if you can, or not if you can't, don't worry about it. But if you have the bind or not, shift your weight to your left foot and start moving your right foot forward. So here you are, you're standing at the top of your mat. So maybe you can bind here or not. It doesn't matter. If you can't bind, just release your right hand and hold on to your toe for a second. Okay? So shift your weight to the right. Release your hand and just hold on to your left toe if you're not bound. I'll show that first. Shift your weight to the right and slowly begin to stand up, holding on to your toe. Okay? If you can't, just stand up, then hold on to your toe. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release your toe and set it back down. We'll do the other side. All right. Bird of paradise, next round. Here we go. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your left foot back. Sink down in your hips. Lift your right hand. 2 breaths. 1, 2. Lower your right hand. If you have a block, you can put your hand on it or a bottle, and then lift your left hand, side angle, knee, right knee into right upper arm. 1, 2, 3. Let's try a bind. Reach under, getting ready for a bind. Then open the left side of your heart back up. Sink your hips forward so your knees over your ankle. 1, 2, 3. Release your hand back down to the block. Straighten your front leg. Sink your hips forward and under. Lift your left hand for triangle. 1, 2, 3. Micro bend in your front knee. Rise back up. And on the exhale, up and over. 3 breaths. 1, 2, 3. Inhale back up. Bend your front knee for warrior 2. Take a big inhale, fill up. Exhale, back to your side angle. Turn your palm around toward the back. Bring it to your low back or reach under for a bind. And then, if you aren't bound, it doesn't matter. Just walk your left foot up so that you're standing at the front of your mat. I'm going to turn sideways. Sometimes, even if you couldn't walk up, you might can do the bind. So right now, my right arm is under my right thigh, and my left arm is reached around behind. It can just be sitting on your low back too. Shift your weight to the left. Release your hand and hold on to your right toe. On your inhale, rise up to standing, holding on to your right toe. And if you couldn't, just stand and then lift your right leg and hold on to your right toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly release it back down. Take a big inhale, reach your hands up overhead. Exhale, let it go. One more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, let it go. Okay, we won't go through the whole flow. We're just going to go to Bird of Paradise. So step back up to the front of your mat. Here we go. Knowing if you can't do the bind, it's okay. Just, you can also go back to the option of holding onto your toe and just lifting your knee. It's a good modification. You still really build strength in your quadriceps because that's what we need for getting up and down. Strengthen our core and our quadriceps. So inhale, fingertips rise up. Exhale, soft knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step your right foot back. Inhale, lift your left hand. Open, twist. Take another inhale. Exhale, lower it in front of your left foot. You can use your block if you want. And lift up to side angle. From here, bend the back of your hand to your low back. Weight is still evenly distributed, but big bend in the left front knee. Reach your left hand underneath for the bind. Once you're steady on your feet, chest open, right shoulder back, begin walking your right foot up to the front of the mat. Once you arrive, shift your weight into your right foot. You can also release your bind, hold on to your left toe with your fingers. Or, with your bind, press down through your right foot and begin to lift your left knee. All right, sometimes I can do it, sometimes I can't. Try again. All right. Anyways, one more try. Weight in the right foot, bound. And come up to standing in Bird of Paradise. And then straighten your leg. Hold it. 1, 2, or hold on to your toe. 3, 4, 5. One more inhale. And then slowly back down. From here, release your hands. Take a big half lift. Exhale, forward fold. And inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. And down by your side. All right, that was Bird of Paradise. Very challenging. It's just fun to try. Those postures really get your shoulders and your hips open. And that's what we want to be able to keep moving. All right, other side. And then we'll be done. Remember, If you can't bind, just hold on to your toe. Go to the knee lift with toe hold. Perfect. Inhale, fingertips rise up. Exhale, soft bend in your knees, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fingers down, step your left foot back. Lift your right hand, big open twist. Sink your hips, take a big deep breath. Exhale, lower your right hand to the inside of your right foot. Lower your left heel and open up for a side angle. Right knee over right ankle, big opening through the chest, strong legs. Turn your palm to the back, reach underneath, grab your hand if you can. Then open the left side of your heart back up. Shoulder blades are down the back, strong legs. Then begin walking your left foot up to the front of your mat. Shift your weight to the left, come up on your right toe. Maybe you just stay here today. Or press through your left foot, find a spot for your gaze, take your time, and rise all the way up. Hold it there. 1. Maybe you straighten your leg, open your shoulder again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Big inhale, and then exhale, slowly lower your right foot back down. Move the blocks out of the way. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. Hang it there. That was a hard workout, y'all. Release your neck. Make some circles with your nose. Go the other direction. Big deep breaths. Let your fingertips come to the earth. Inhale, half lift. This time, make your feet a little wider. Turn your toes out. Slowly lower your hips down to your ankles. And pause in your yogi squat. Chest lifted. Collarbones open. Elbows pressing out. 3 more deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. When you get tired of this, just sit down on your bottom, sit up tall and breathe. Or if you want to try the bind, lift your left hand out to the side, right hand up. Turn your left hand palm down and reach around behind. And take a couple of deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. And release back up. And exhale, hands to heart center. 1 more on the other side. Right hand goes down, left hand goes up. Really reach down and around your leg. Turn your palms toward the back and reach around for the bind. Roll your left shoulder up, back and down, opening your heart. 1, 2, 3. And release your hands back wide. Exhale, hands to heart center. And come down onto your bottom. From here, reach your hands out long. Take a big inhale. Exhale, slowly roll down onto your back. Hug your knees in close. Big deep breath. Feet relaxed. Now let your feet go flat. Send your right leg long, your left leg long. Open your palms up to the ceiling. Let your lips close. Slow deep breaths. Let your heart rate come back to normal. Let your breathing slow down and come back to normal. Take any last postures you need, maybe a twist, plow, shoulder stand, knee hugs, whatever you need. We worked really super hard today. Relax your feet. After you come out of that, begin relaxing your entire body, your ankles, your lower leg, your upper leg. Relax your entire torso, shoulders, arms and hands. Relax your face, your lips. Relax every muscle in your body. commit to staying here for another minute or two. Still your body, to still your mind. See if you can lie completely still, nothing moving but your breath. Allowing every muscle in your body to relax. So from here, I'm just going to read you a verse of the day. So continue to relax. Today I have a proverb. 19:17 says, if you help the poor, you are lending to the Lord, and He will repay you. Stay there as long as you can, friend. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Hopefully you'll join me for a lot more videos in 2024. Blessings and Happy New Year.